with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there. St. Mary with St.
Oh, you gotta be careful, you know. Yeah, man, you're careful.
Hey, Parry, blessed day to you all. Blessed day. St. Mary with there. I take time cruise down in a my little district here right now. Car shake. Sorry about the shaking of the camera. Uncle Murphy car. Uncle Murphy car now no shocks. Remote bad. So me there so and here him drop down in one piece of descent there. Rain fall up here and go on with that, but all down is so wet so. Lord have mercy, Parry, you know see what go on. The road turn bad. Rain fall, the rain go on with that whole heap of things, but look like some part more and some. Should that time I said then change out sunlight post, you know. So sent me a long time I not come here, so I go see what go on. Oi, you know say water run out don't come here. Go down high bridge there. Yeah, Paris, so I go up. I saw some bush up here, bush up. Oh, Jesus. Right now you can't see all the sun. It's under the cloud. Oh, the part dry, some part wet. Car. When we come down this while ago, it never look so wet. No. And yes, I look wet. Like it dash out here Uncle Murphy last night. I discovered Paris. I go up in my district here now. You know see bush? See bush? Who bush? Yeah. I don't know, say my district I just spear bush. See, Ryan, nice little house here. Yeah. Ryan, me have your house on camera. Boy. Yeah. We have Undertaker live up here. Undertaker and people like be Uncle Murphy. Yeah. Nice little house. Nice place of business. Another one there to rent. To rent Uncle Murphy, me always see lock up. I don't know if them are renting. Yeah, it was some people for come from town and get it. And that man has there right now. Yeah, in a district, yeah. Boy, garage. The man live over there, so. Wood over there, so. Boy, there. Like the man I cut sitting there. Yeah, up in my district, this, you know. I'm gonna know that, say. I'm gonna check, say. Yeah, well, there are bush, but people live up here. And them are go and rain dash out, man. You feel it. You feel it, Murph? All time cold. And me not, you know, so I not see no guinea up here this year, Murphy. And Nanny then did have guinea. Used to have guinea. Yeah, but me never know any ripe. Yeah, me never ever get no guinea from them. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And you pass through, you have to yell them up, you know. Because your parish, your parish, you know, them. Young smoker come up, they breakfast already. Yeah, church. See, I name my church, your Mount Church. Yeah. Clean up your church, yeah, do. And then I add on around about, that's nice. That's good. Whoa, road bad do Parry, road bad. It turn track. Right, Murph? I want to know if they're not asphalty. That I want to know. Come and fall on ground there. If we can get back some more, come and fall. My God. Go on with that thing up here, it rain. Go on up here, Parry, go on. You see how country look, though, see there? See one of that smoke there, a breakfast already, you know. At them life, that's how we go, you know, Uncle Murph. Breakfast, you see young smoke, you can't, so you don't see it, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I come up out of somebody wood fire kitchen. And then quite comfortable and quite alright. Yeah, them ain't no worries with nobody. So them there's something them born and grow and use to. I don't say them wouldn't want to change, but if no change no come, what you go do? People are in no hurry, you know. Good man. People like good. Yes, man, the rain look like it fall last night too. Hey, Murph? Yesterday evening. Yeah, man, it wash. I wonder if you can go up here, so. And every time I beer skid in here, so you know, you remember, Murph?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see what? See the road there? So the road wet party. Sun take time, I come out them bush where the light wire them do.
Yes.
You see it? Them bushy way.
Like the street upon the post.
Yeah, man, and me show me the talk to show.
Yeah.
Kind of call me one night and tell me say light post follow me if you call GPS. Can show me the on the GPS app.
Yes.
Anything like gone up here, me know, you know.
Okay.
Then send me an email. So them cut with the tree them. Yes, sir. Over there, so the river over there, so quite whole there. So them plant the post. A long time them plant them posts here, you know. Yeah, man. So a tree them supposed to have light. You see light down so. You Murph? Light down so. Yeah, bar, man. Go up in there. Up into the hills. Lord Kobush. Kadek. What he play school, Murph?
Yeah, man, they play school.
Could. How about that? Oh. Yeah, rain dash out here, big and serious. It lash out and it dash out one day. Take time, Murphy, take time. Yep, I saw some bush. But the place cool. And then you see rain fall. I say, well, me like to see how then chop with the bamboo them after the light wire. So we make them plant this. Our new one with them plant now. Then they couldn't straighten that one there. Yeah. Sorry about the shaking of the camera, Parry. Don't care how the camera make for steady. Them road there with and make it not steady. This straighten Uncle Mer. So may I show the progress because the light post them did one way. Then straighten this? No, it never. What matter about? See the one over so when I straighten.
That one there.
Hey, see where we are go towards, it not straighten. Kind of slackness that. You see how me jump on the one right about show gate the door.
Yeah.
Me report him, man. You go report that one here too. You call them and make them come look about that. Then come fast. The one at shoe gate there. Yeah, we did call them. Hey, that one I want to sort out. The one at shoe gate did want change. Me I forgot when me I come back, you have to have the number it, you know. Yeah. You have to have the number I light post. See the family. See the man then cut them border, them means a little. Uncle Murphy, my young gargoyle, the boy. But I saw my apple tree, them are blossom, you know, sister, some of them not blossom. But me could have seen, me see one duppy in a bush there. I hang up one tree there. In our long coat. Yep. I go up a bow show house, you know. Show see people, them, you're not living here, so again. You're not living there, so again, show. No, sir. A shoe house that out of yonder there, you do. Papa Jesus. So when you say it look like when you're gone, gonna look the post and the car keys man pass. Yeah. So him pass him not up a yard, yeah? Ain't gone straight. Alright. So when you say tell the people them say no live in there again, master. What tell them? Alright, I feel your hey, I show that you know for him not done yet today, but him coming to come. At you. Alright, Parry, next clip. I hope there's a young for him wiping map. Uncle Murphy, make we pick, you hear the top Uncle Murphy come. Make we pick two brush and sitting. See my man look about banana sitting. But Murphy, son, me say one breadfoot up in the top of a tree. Yes, but somebody have to climb that have to climb. And see one right here. So wait them Murph. Make me position. I wait, you see Tommy shoe? I could pick that one here. I lost, you know. But second crop I come show. Lime there? Oh, you pick lime for me?
Yeah.
Right banana there?
Okay.
No, right banana, laugh about eh? What? Murph? Them you call what they name organic, right, Show? Them your name organic, Show. Put them down in there. Them your name organic, you know, Parry. Planting. Them a time, you know, get a big fat planting. I go home now. Eh? Now, but I make your rug stay out here and rotten out here. Because them are rain here when the sun no come out. Uncle Murphy, I try picky sitting there. Me not a pen, Uncle Murphy. Little lime tree here, you know, Murphy. I know today, you know. Yeah, and you know, so we pick up a line off I well.
I want them to come out.
Lime and lime. He said lime up a yard. He look lime put up a yard for me. Yeah, man. See, I'll look you. All up them must see one weed out. But it rain. No must see me know it one weed out. And see the apple tree there full of apple blossom. How are we in now? November, October. You know, so they have play good on already. So till January, February. Them one here, yes, this full of apple. This a one here. Lord of God. Murphy Kuya. A full. Could blossom. Them supposed to can see it. You don't see it, Parry. I said, I say, if them are old, but if it rain continue, them I can wash off. If them are old, man, I go be, what?
You want boiling breadfruit in it?
Yes, man, me want breadfruit and salt mackerel, man. A yard there. Show you now, no quote not.
Where would they ask you, man?
No problem, I will do it.
Yeah, what the leather fish show. How was it your show? Oh, Uncle Murphy, where you eat that? You have people them down, Uncle Murphy. Me say the mosquito them rampant. Papa Jesus.
One time, Parry.
A breakfast that.
Yeah, me I tell you about a ripe banana, you know?
A breakfast time.
Yes.
At you.
Sweet up your mouth with banana.
Tell them so we not carry brother because the mosquito them and the rain. The rain rough.
What?
The rain rough up here. I first from the year beginning so rough up here, don't. The rain. Eh?
No, man.
If all up here rough on that? Pressure. Yeah. Yeah, over that limb there, shoe. Over that limb there.
Yeah. Take out the water.
Because I forgot to make one arch over this and put on one little piece. Right, I forgot to put one little.
You can't see it, too?
What that little something the name? Is that right there, so shoe? I want pretty sure, you know. A little porch right there, so but time here, man, time. You can't go and deal with that till such time. Now you also cold shoe, don't? You keep on your socks and put on your jacket. And the cold. Now line up one blanket for you. And them time of year up here cold, you know, brother. And you wash for your rug. Take up the rug for in front of you. Hey, Uncle Murphy, don't make you brush your gargoyle. Murphy. Oh, because you lose the walk, you know, Murph. One, two of them, the top side, your head, the shoe. You can't just stay right this and turn this something. Them time of year up here, brother. Me say, yeah. We look good here, sir. We don't look bad. See what them drop there about the ground splash out. Yeah, them looking well.
Yeah.
We want some salt, mackerel here now.
Really?
And some. I'm gonna make some liggy. Yeah. Nutmeg, Barry. Not my Uncle Murphy. You have to go them have on them could nutmeg. Say not sell them to. I had them at the baking time now. They want nutmeg, you know.
You want nutmeg?
Nutmeg with me a Spanish. I want them, you see. Papa Jesus. Half keg, a quarter keg, a nutmeg. Me just rhyme. Yeah. Now, you're hungry and I sell it you. See See him bringing left nothing make that for me part. Aye, all they do. I made just a go no one little. Hello, I just made just a puppy nine house, y'all. Yeah, Paris, see. Yes, Tony, yes. So see there, bird pepper, the one up a yard, and one that it kind of get old and something. Oi! And then see, me I go catch two of them, swallow them a capital. Uncle Murphy take some I nothing make them there. You not bake.
Yes, man, we are bake.
You go bake.
We are bake for you.
Yeah, you must can bake one little cake, man. Good God, man. You know what, Lisa? Eh? Must can bake one little cake. We are go bake, yeah?
We are go bake.
We are go bake. Food. Family see me Parry, me finally see Jackie in the bush up here. Cause me know so we have Jackie in the bush. The one the Jackie in the bush me get are the one down at Terrence. But how this a Jackie in the bush smell like guaco so? Lord of God. No, but this part has to smell like Jackie in the bush. Yes, man. So Murph, you don't know the Jackie in the bush?
Yeah, man.
Now eat this. Eh? Yeah, just make it steer. And then it look like the guaco you run panny. Me and son no bars across the road here. Yes. Me say some of them bush here. This is our Jamaican. What? I have a little nest in here so. See it here, family Parry. For we Jamaican basil. You see it? What that? No, yes. Me never remember it in a Murph. Box cover. I in lunch from me dish out from where there. No bars if we Jamaican dry basil. Local basil. Yeah. Yeah. Me never remember it, you know. It don't in there? Why Parry we run a back. We are Uncle Murphy car. We are going. We are grotto bread. We are cake pan. We have banana. We have lime. We have nutmeg. We are brush. Yeah, we have brush. Of course. We have one pack what not have to go cook the gilly. Where you say Uncle Murphy?
Everything up.
Everything up. Show tell the people them buy. I am buy. Yeah man. Yeah.
All right, Parry.
Yeah. So Parry, we are gonna take time pushing, you know, cause see there?
Yeah.
It's kind of looks so nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You see back in a St. Catherine, you see it? A back in a St. Catherine around the side of Murphy, it up. Yeah.